Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Jumriati and you can call me Jum. And now I will retell the story of the end title is The Fox and the Bear. One day, a fox saw a bear sitting on the branch of a tree. In its mouth, the bear had some food. The fox wanted this food because he was very hungry. "You are a beautiful bear," the fox said, "but can you sing?" "Of course, I can sing," thought the bear. "This is a very stupid fox." He opened his mouth to sing and dropped the food. The fox cocked the food and said, "Yes, you can sing, and you are a very beautiful, but you are not very smart." And the fox ran away with the food. The moral message of the story of the fox and the bear is we should be vigilant and not be careless, because there may be someone who give a price just because they want to take advantage of or harm us. I think that's all. Maybe that is all from me. Thanks for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.